Okay, I'm back, and now that the tank is in, the instructions call for installing a engine mount and engine necks, and I'm not going to do that. What I want to do next is to mount the gear, the electronics inside, because all the next set of installations is going to be about installing things that are going to attach to the servos, and in order to do that, I want the servos in and the electronics, the receiver and all in. So to start with that, if you go into your bag that I had receivers and batteries, get out this little wooden piece, and that is what you're going to mount your receiver. And in my case, every time I have a receiver, I have a telemetry module next to it. And your battery is going to be on this, and then the 3 servos will be mounted right there. And so I'm going to install this with the Velcro, not the Velcro they gave you, because I want better Velcro than that. And I'm going to put the 3 servos in. I'm going to do like I did before. Put the servo in, have the grommets and all that stuff in, drill some holes, put some CA in there and let it dry. But let me go get my Velcro and I'll be right back. Okay, I got my Velcro, and in your bag of extra parts you should find a bag of screws. And in that bag of screws, one is going to be the 6 screws to mount the speed brake on. We don't need those right now, but we'll need them later. Okay. But then there are 4 tinier screws, 1, 2, 3, 4, okay. These are little tinier screws, like this size, okay. Phillips head, small. Not the same length as the 6 screws, and there's 4 of them. I know what 2 of them are for now, because 2 of them screw this in. There's a hole, pilot hole here, and there's a wooden block with pilot holes inside, and that's what we're going to screw in. One more thing, almost forgot the Velcro. Okay, so before you screw this in, put some Velcro through it, okay? And what I'm going to do is have plenty of extra Velcro, and then cut off what I don't need once I put all the electronics in. So I'm going to take and have a nice big loop of Velcro. That ought to be more than enough. I can see from my other one that it's smaller than that. So I'm just going to cut the Velcro off here and have it ready, and just leave the Velcro together when I screw it in, and that way you don't have to worry about feeding it. So be right back. Okay, I did note that when I put this in there, one way fit better than the other, so if it doesn't fit right the first time, turn it around and try again. So I'm going to go ahead and screw it in now. Be right back. Another tip is hold the small screw with a pair of tweezers that grips it by itself, you know, this cross X kind of tweezers, and hold that down in there and start the screw before you take the tweezers off, and that way it doesn't fall through to the bottom like it did the first time for me.